Hi guys, it's Dayo again with another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you where to get and how to download your new fonts and how to upload new fonts to your Pixel app. So all you need to do is just get a Chrome browser and just go to your Chrome browser, then type on Dafont, DAFONT, dafont.com. So when you just click on that font, it's going to pop up the option, then you tap on it, go to the first option, which is the font. It's going to bring you um, tons of different types of and styles of fonts. So you just need to just tap on anyone you want to go with. There are options on different type of fonts that you want to choose, you want to use. So you can, I'm presently under comics. I went also to fancy fonts. You can just choose whatever font you want to use or you feel like using. Then all you need to do is just to tap on download. It's totally free. You can just tap on download, then you download it to your device. Just make sure you select the file you can easily locate. So for me, I am using the download files to download this particular font. So after you've downloaded this particular font to your phone, then you go to your file manager. After going to your file manager, then you can simply go to your download, your recent downloads. Then you go to your download, then you copy and move this particular font to your font file. It is not necessary, but to make things be in order, to avoid confusion, I would advise you to relocate it to your font um, file. So after doing that, you can just simply tab on it and tab on uncompress. So for those who are using a lower version of an Android phone, and for those who their phone can't uncompress or unzip, you can download an Archiver, Z Archiver, to uncompress your file. So after uncompressing it, you can just copy the OTF file and just you can just leave the OTF file, then delete the rest of the PNG files. You can also leave them if you feel like leaving them. Then go to your Pixel app, go to your my font section. The It's going to pop up the font you've downloaded, and it's going to be at the top of the text. So yeah, this is our new text that we download. So if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Bye.